Is an HP Instant Ink subscription worth it? Stay tuned because today we're going to be talking about it. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today I'm going to be talking about, is it worth getting an HP Instant Ink subscription, which is HP's new subscription service where they basically charge you on a monthly basis and they send you ink as soon as your printer gives them a notification that the ink is running low. Now on my channel I have personally promoted a lot of remanufactured ink, and in some cases I have advised against it because there are some error codes that could come up with some software updates. But with the Epson EcoTanks that I talk about on my channel, I always recommend remanufactured ink because there's no chips involved. There really is virtually no way for there to be an error code because of the type of ink you use. But today we're going to be using my printer as an example for the cost basis, the cost analysis we're going to be doing on how much would it cost me to buy my ink from the store or from Amazon versus what HP is offering me with the HP Instant Ink subscription. Now if this video ends up being helpful, I ask that you like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you can get notified of any new videos that I post. Alright, so the printer that I purchased in July of 2021 is the HP OfficeJet Pro Premier. Now this is basically a Premier, if you want to say, version of the 9015 HP OfficeJet printer, which is going for about $270 on Amazon right now, which is what I'm going to base all my pricing off of, is with Amazon. Now if you want to go advanced, which is something I don't have, you're going to get more paper capacity, a little bit faster printing for about $100 more. And then now at this point, the HP OfficeJet Pro Premier is very, very expensive. It's almost $800, and that is simply because it's got this silver wrap around it, and that's really what drew me to it, is because I wanted something a little bit different for my office. I wanted something in my office has a little bit more gray tones, and so I really liked that style, and that's what I went with. But it also included 2 years of ink delivery, which was basically them promoting HP Instant Ink. I got it for free for 2 years. I just had to create an account and sign up, input my address, all the information they needed, and now I get a box like this every so often when I'm running a little bit lower on ink, and sometimes when I'm not even running that low on ink. So if we open up the box, you'll see exactly what it is that we get here in the box with the HP Instant Ink subscription. Got some promotion, get the most out of your, never run out of paper. So this is them probably doing a similar thing with paper now. As soon as you're running low on paper, it'll probably send them notification. They'll send you some paper. So you can sign up for extra things. Yes, this is a thank you for using HP Instant Ink. You may not need this ink right away. Please insert your Instant Ink cartridges only when your printer tells you it's very low on ink or if print quality declines. So right now I know that my ink levels are still pretty decent. They're sending in the ink early, so that way as soon as they start to get low, I've already got them here in my office and I can just pop them in right away. But that's a very good point, that you, just because you get the ink cartridges, if you do sign up with this, doesn't mean anything, doesn't mean you have to install them right away. And here they are. I'm sure that they recycled these one way or another, because these don't look like, you know, they're wrapped up in plastic or anything. This is how they send them. They're just like ready to go, pop in. I'm sure that there's a film right where the ink would come out so that there's no ink spillage or anything like that. But yeah, so actually right now what they sent me were only colors. They only sent me color. They didn't send me black. That's all they sent me. And I'm assuming because my black is running a little bit higher. So I just checked my ink levels and my black ink is definitely much higher than my colors. My colors are dragging down a little bit. So I'm gonna hold on to these, and as soon as I need them, I will have them available. I'll put them in, and that will prevent me from losing my print quality. That will prevent me from damaging the print head. If you run your ink too low, and these are completely full cartridges, you can end up damaging your print head and your print quality in the long run. Then, if that happens, you will have to use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. And that is today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Basically, if you currently already have a printer and it's not printing a certain color, it's printing choppy or it's printing faded, or you just have an overall and general print quality issue, you're gonna wanna use this product on your printer. I have a ton of videos on my channel. You can click on my channel icon below this video, go to my channel page, go to the search bar and search up your printer model, and you will most likely find an exact video for your specific printer on how to use this cleaning kit on the print head. This is a DIY repair that you can easily do with these instructional videos, and you will save yourself time and hassle of having to get a new printer. You may have already purchased new printer ink. You're gonna save all of that and save the hassle of having to get a new printer and the cost of having to get a new printer. I have hundreds of testimonials of people that were able to save themselves money, save themselves the stress and the time that they would have to put into getting a new printer, and they're very happy with this product. So there's gonna be a link in the description below for the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. You can pause this video, go down there, get yours today, and then you can come back and watch the rest of this video. Just so you get a little bit more of an idea of my account and what I'm seeing when I look at my HP Instant Ink subscription, I log in, and then you've got the HP logo here, you've got HP Instant Ink plans, and when you come down and look at the plans, here you have different options on a monthly basis. So for now, I've already paid some money for 2 years worth of this subscription. Now you're really gonna have to determine how much printing you actually do on a monthly basis. If you're doing light printing, it's 99 cents. Occasional printing, $3.99. Moderate printing, $5.99, which is what they recommend for homes. Most people are doing moderate printing. I would say for me, I'm doing frequent printing, that's $11.99. That's a big jump, and we're gonna use that higher price point to kind of compare across the board. What would it cost me if I had to replace all of the ink cartridges twice during a 1 year cycle? And I would tell you, I would probably actually go through 3 sets of ink during the year. Now, business printing, this is recommended for small businesses that you're doing, you know, up to 700 pages a month. I would say I'm at around that 300 to 500 range. So $11.99 is perfect for me. But let's go ahead and take a look at what the price would be for some brand new 962 black and color cartridges. So right now on Amazon, you would get it same day, free returns. You're not getting charged for, you got free delivery today. That's because I have Amazon Prime. That's depending on if you have Amazon Prime, I believe. Sometimes they offer it to others that don't have Amazon Prime. So $96.99 is what I would pay for 1 set of ink cartridges. Okay, so I start out January 1st with this brand new set of ink. Let's say I only use 2 sets of ink, and I run from January till June 15th with that 1 set. I then need to purchase another set of ink on June 15th that will last me until December 20th, when we stop working, stop printing, it's Christmas time. So that would cost me roughly $96.99. This is not including tax, by the way. So I would end up spending $193.98 for doing a lot less printing than what I actually do. I probably would actually spend $96.99, but let's use that number just to get a good ballpark. $194 roughly is what we're gonna call it. All right, so on Amazon's HP ink would cost us $193.98. Let's call it $194. All right, so now when we come over to HP's Instant Ink, your frequent printing, on an annual basis, I would spend $11.99 for those same 12 months. I would spend $143.88. So let's call it $144. So right there, you would save yourself $50 right there. If you started out with the HP Instant Ink and you just went with that, option on an annual basis, give or take, because you could have started printing a lot more and then a lot less, but if you start printing a lot more and just kept up that volume through the year, you probably would end up spending a little more, but I'm not sure that you would get to that $24.99, which is the small business printing, which is 700 pages a month. So as long as you're staying within 300 to 400 pages, you're gonna be in that $11.99 page bracket. And then if you're paying less than that, Well, then you have that $5.99 price point that you compare to one set of ink cartridges. You're gonna run through one set of ink cartridges in a year. You have to, one way or another. If not, your print quality could diminish, in my opinion. $5.99 on an annual basis ends up being $71.88. That's still less than, roughly almost $30 less than your almost $100 of your one set of ink. So you're saving roughly $25 to $30 per every set of ink. Now, I would throw remanufactured ink into the mix, but right now on this printer, I personally don't use remanufactured ink because I don't want to risk running to an error code. But really quick, we can take a look at remanufactured ink prices, which I do recommend to certain people. See here, your 962 XL ink cartridges are about $70. So with remanufactured ink, you would actually be paying almost an identical amount of money to what you would pay with the HP Instant Ink. So that savings you would match with remanufactured ink. So basically what you would save by buying remanufactured ink, you can just stick with the HP ink cartridges and you can go with the HP Instant Ink subscription. Now, if you go to the store and you can find a lower price than the $96 that we quoted, then use that price to determine whether it would be worth using HP Instant Ink. If the savings is only $5, $10, you can make up your mind right there if it's worth it or not. So another thing is you gotta check compatibility. There's only so many HP printers that are compatible with this HP Instant Ink, but I say only so many, but there actually are a lot of printers that qualify. A lot of the DeskJet, the Envies, the OfficeJets, and then even all the way down to the HP Tango. If you were looking to get the same printer that I got, maybe not right now because it's so high on the price, but let's just do my own cost analysis. So was it worth me paying what I paid for my printer, which I'm looking at my invoice right now. It's got my personal information on it, so I won't be sharing that, but I paid $474.09. The standard 9015 is going for $270. $270 I paid for the HP Premier. I'm not gonna put 9015, but it's the 9015 basically wrapped in silver, and with 2 years of HP Instant Ink, I paid $474.09. All right. So those are the price differences there. Now let's take a look at those 2 years of ink. So I got 2 years worth of this ink subscription. So what I'm really gonna count is not the amount on a monthly basis, but what I'm gonna count is how much would it cost for those ink cartridges that I would buy on Amazon, which is normally where I would buy them. Let's take a look. It's $97. So I would go through 4 sets of those ink cartridges for $97. So I would go through 4 sets, 97 times 4, $388 of ink is what I would use over a 2-year period. And I will tell you, I'm 6 months in and I've already swapped out my ink cartridges once already. Now, very soon, I'm gonna be swapping out another set of ink cartridges with these colors, and then eventually they'll send me my black ink cartridge as well. So $388 worth of ink. So if I would have paid the $270 and I would have gone with the regular 9015, I would have paid $270 and I would have, over 2 years, spent $388 on ink. That would have cost me in 2 years $658. With the 9015 and all the ink that I used, I would have paid essentially $660. Instead, I got the HP Premier with the nice silver wrap that I like, and I ended up paying $480 or $475 roughly with the 2 years of HP Instant Ink. It's convenient, it works. So I personally saved money using the HP Instant Ink. Now, if I stop using ink altogether for 2 years, like I just, for whatever reason, I don't know what would happen in my life where I would just stop printing. I might lose money here, or I might break even. But I'll tell you, I've already used 50% of the capacity here with the HP Instant Ink, and I would be smart probably over these next 2 years to really run as much printing as I can while I have it for free. After I have it for free, I'm going to keep the monthly subscription because through the cost analysis, I'm saving roughly $30 per every set of ink that they send me with my monthly subscription. So is it worth using HP Instant Ink My answer is absolutely yes. It's a very good deal. Do I personally make money if you use the HP Instant Ink product? I don't make any money. I'm not sponsored, and I don't have any affiliate links for the HP Instant Ink product. I'm just reviewing this because I'm using it, so I would like to know for myself, but then I'd like to share with you also how it worked out for me and how it potentially could work out for you with saving money. This channel is all about you saving money, making the best printer decisions, helping you with your printer repairs if it ever comes to that. So I hope that this video was helpful. I am going to be leaving a link to the HP OfficeJet Pro Premier. I know it's very highly priced right now, so I don't know if it would be worth it at this point, but at a later date you may be watching this video 2 or 3 months from now, and supply chains may have corrected, and there may have been some other prices that came down as far as printing and ink, and you may be able to get this printer for around what I got it for. You want to get it for around that price, a little bit higher, maybe at the most I would say pay $500 for the HP OfficeJet Pro Premier with the 2 years of HP Instant Ink. That would be a great deal, and you would save yourself some money over time, and you would get a very nice looking printer if that's what you're into. Alright, again, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like the video. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.